Peace YouTube, what is up? Today I'm going to talk with you about why did the AMC stock drop today. I'm also going to talk about two alternative stocks you can buy to double your money. Alright, so let's start. As you can see in this article, there are multiple reasons why the AMC stock is going to plummet. If not now, it will do that within a short amount of time. It's no secret that AMC is in a difficult situation right now. So there are a lot of issues surrounding the AMC stock, and because of the Wall Street bets, it is a very popular stock, but also a very volatile stock. For full disclosure, I also own AMC for about, I think, 300 stocks, and I've made quite some money with AMC, so I was also watching it, terrified, seeing it plummet. But it was to be expected. So right now we're expecting the short squeeze to happen on Thursday or Friday. And before that, a lot can happen. If we listen to analysts, we can hear them say that the stock can drop to $1. So that will most likely be the bottom of the AMC stock. But that doesn't mean that it's going to happen in 2 days. Because if we look at the AMC stock, the movement it has made the last couple of days, we can see that it went from $11.60 to almost $20, and then it dropped to $7.50. So that's the same amount which we saw today. And after it reached $7.50, it went up and it doubled to $14. After that, it reached $17, and then it went down again to $7. We can expect this movement to occur more often in the coming days, but the squeeze probably will happen on Thursday, meaning that the stock will go up again. I'm no financial advisor, and I'm also not a magician. I can't see into the future. If I could, I would be a millionaire right now, but this is what I'm expecting. And if this expected action doesn't happen by Friday, I will most likely sell most of my AMC stocks. And there is also the GME, so the GameStop stock. And if we look at that one, we can also see a similar thing happening, because it was first at about $276, and it went up to almost $500. But after that, it went down to $100, and then it went back up again, and it went down again. So that's something which we see with this very volatile stock happen more than once. So there is still a chance that it will go up again within a reasonable amount of time. There are two stocks I want to talk about as an alternative to AMC. As I said earlier, I'm going to keep my AMC stocks until Friday, and I'm going to decide what I'm going to do with them after that. And there is a chance that I'm going to lose everything, but there is also a chance that it will go up a lot. I'm willing to take that risk, but you shouldn't invest your money if you can't afford to lose it. So really be careful, because there is a reasonable chance that you're going to miss out all of your money. In my case, that's not my nightmare. If it happens, it happens. All right, so let's talk about two stocks which will double most probably within the next year. First, I want to talk about ArcLight Clean Transition Corp. This stock, as you can see, went up from about 10 to 30. So it went 3x within a span of 2 months. And now it's being traded at about 26.5. There are analysts who are saying that this stock might reach $50 within the next year. So if you're looking for a good alternative for AMC, this one is worth considering. A second stock you could consider if you want to double your money within the next year is Renesola, with ticker SOL. So when we look at this one, you can see that it went from about $3.5 or $3 to, let's see, 33. So 11x within just a period of 3 months. Now it is down again at about $23, but it is expected by analysts that this will also reach $50 within the next year. So this is a great play for the coming year, and I've also invested in this stock today. All right, so that's for today's video. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway of a PlayStation 5 for my first 1,000 subscribers. So if you like this video and if you got some value out of it, please subscribe and also give a like. Oh, and before I forget, this wasn't financial advice. I'm just an entrepreneur and a psychologist from the Netherlands, and I'm sharing the trades I made. And you should always do your own research. But this is most likely something you ever heard before from others.